been an ice storm. Everything is coated. Ah, here's a shovel that I didn't know was here. Here is the donkey, the donkey, the donkey. Dog, dog, Maxie! It's beautiful. It's tipped up above freezing at high altitude, so it's been raining, and the cold ground, it all turns to ice. About an inch of ice there on the walkway. I'm watching my step. A great day if you're watching. Not really if you live here, except when you're looking around. You don't want to slip. Been trying to clear some ice off. But super cold. I'm only in a sweatshirt, but oh, it's dripping on me from the tree. Look at this. Sure is cold. Sure is a cold one out here, eh? Icy. Here, little drops of ice hitting the ground. Surreal. Look at these stones. Here, watch. Ice is so thick. You can just see the thickness just goes around there and down to here. Doesn't look as thick on camera. What, Mammy?